Okay, I'm going to be demonstrating a 0 days to expiration trade. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into trade, look at SPX. One of the things I'm always doing is prior to putting on this, I'm looking at the chart. And as you can kind of see, it's taken a dip. So I kind of like to get the puts when it's gone on a dip. So I'll go into SPX here and I'm looking at I'll look at the 9 delta. I like somewhere around that sweet spot of 8. So I'm going to sell this, go 50 points wide, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Buy that guy. I usually like to jack the price up by 5 cents. In this account, I can only take one on each one call and one put. So I'm going to put this guy in. It takes about $5,000 of buying power for one contract just to collect 68 bucks. So I'm going to go ahead and put that guy in. And that's essentially how you do it. And in this account, I've already sold 10 contracts at 70 cents of the 33.60 put. So what I did is I do 3 times that. So 70 cents times 3 would be 210. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel replace this, and I'm putting a stop limit order in, and I'm going to put this lower trigger at 210 and the upper trigger at 240. And that's essentially 3 times the amount that I collected. So let me go back in and just confirm that I did in fact collect 70 cents. I did. No, I collected 60 cents. So 60 cents total times 3 is $1.80. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that at 190. A lot of times I like to add an extra 10 cents in there. It just gives me a little bit of buffer. So now let's look and see what it's looking at. TOS has been having a few problems today, so I'm getting some bump up kind of. So as you can kind of see, I'll wait to kind of let it go up a little bit before I sell the calls. So I'm going to go into another account now and just kind of recreate those. So I'll look at the 9 puts here. So once again, buy those 50 points wide, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I'll buy that. I'll jack the price up by a nickel. So it looks like the mid price is about 85 cents. So I made a mistake there. So let me put it on again. I'm going to sell this guy. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I was close to making a fat-fingered mistake there, but I did not. Put it on for 70 cents. 10 contracts, confirm and send that guy. And I'm going to do the same thing in a third account that I trade. And I'll put this guy in and on trade, put this one also in. So it looks like I've got 1 that's executed and 2 that's waiting on the puts. I'll then take a look at the call side, and when I see that, I'm kind of watching the MACD here, so I expect the call side to kind of it to pop up a little bit, and when it does, I'll turn around and I'll sell the call side. So I'll do another recording where I do that, and in the meantime, we'll follow it throughout the day and see how it does. Wish me luck.